So I think we're in Texas right now, but it's actually in Canada and we're leaving. But it was super fun and we...
This is such an interesting place. We didn't expect anything from it, but honestly the diversity of landscape and nature here in Canada is just wow. So different, so diverse, such a different trees, natures, like, and it's just like a few hours drive away, and it's amazing. I didn't expect anything like this from Canada. So today we arrived at a really interesting place in between Jasper and Vancouver, and it looks like some Arizona or Texas or Western. Let me show you how it looks like. Here is our street. This one is our camper van right here, and a little bit farther away another one. This is our lovely campsite, and look what landscapes are here. This is so nice, I love it.
It's actually pretty cold, so you probably don't want to spend too much time in there, and you better wear your slippers because it's slippery. Yeah.
Look at Max! He just dipped inside. Oh my gosh. But the water is really cold. Tilly! Tilly! Do you like water? Do you like water? Do you want to go inside the water? Oh, you already went. You have wet house. Charlie! Go!
So we are actually at this place called Juniper Lake or Juniper River. It's basically between Jasper and Whistler, right? And today is one of those driving days because we had to cross from Alberta to BC. So we stopped somewhere to do some grocery, and some of the other guys, they did laundry. And it was a nice drive. It was really, the road was pretty busy, and then obviously it was a long time. It was like 5-6 hours drive. We woke up super early. We're gonna do some drinking, and we're gonna cook dinner later, and just to have a relaxing day.
We had a long drive between Jasper Park and this campground, and then we just had some sunbathing time, some people swimming in ice cold river, and now we're just gonna have a nice and relaxing dinner and enjoy our stay here.
Amazing.
So today we live in this pretty campground, and one of the activities on this campsite is train watching. I was looking at them yesterday, but then I decided to come closer and just come closer to see those trains. And my gosh, it's just so surreal. The nature is so diverse, so beautiful, so unique, and I can't believe it's like it's like this. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. I don't know, this landscape and this vibe reminds me about some western movies so badly, and it's really nice. And honestly, this trip is really amazing. Having all your friends around, like having so much fun, cooking, doing stuff together, hiking, just talking. It's wonderful. I absolutely enjoy it. Morning preparation. How do you like it here?
It's amazing, very refreshing.
Thank you, Dima, very refreshing.
I think we're somewhere in between Jasper and Whistler. We dipped in the water, spent some time on the beach yesterday, and had a really good night. This morning we had a really nice breakfast: croissant, cheese, avocado, hams. We do need to go to Whistler tonight because we have a hiking planned for tomorrow. So today is also going to be a driving day. We're gonna do 4 or 5 hours of driving.
Today we're gonna move. Vancouver is waiting for us.